If you're from one of these 93 countries, you can now visit Phuket on a 60-day visa on arrival. All of that and more in today's Phuket Tourism News. Hi there guys, Shaun here from 5-Star Marine with Mr. Jay.
I wasn't quite, I've got the wrong glasses on, I'm not quite ready. Right, no, do that bit again, Shaun.
No, it's better like this.
Oh no!
We're going to do it now, we're going to do it fast. Dr. Pepper's gone. Half our sponsorship is gone.
Bit windy today.
Yes, guys, we're here with the Phuket Tourism News because there is something breaking and trending on Google that we have no idea about, but we're reading on Google now to try and get it for you.
I don't have my reading glasses on because I can't see.
Look, the Phuket Tourism News is your most up-to-date place to get information about nothing. We do have, actually, the best Phuket Tourism News that we ever did was about the legalization of mushrooms. So
yes, that
we
works
are
well.
Obligated to talk about mushrooms in every Phuket Tourism News.
But Shaun, I don't know which glasses to wear, but look, I've got it up so you can read that.
Anyway, what happened is yesterday around
15th.
Was that beeping noise the camera saying it's out of battery?
No, that was beeping noise. It was the other camera's out of battery. This is going very well today so far.
Anyway, yesterday about 4 p.m, the first arrival into Thailand got their 60-day stamp. Now, if you're a first-time visitor to Thailand, you probably have no idea about what we're talking about, but there are different types of visas available from different people from different countries under different rules.
I'm glad you're waffling. Well done. I've got the notes now.
But what they've actually done now is they've created what they call a visa on arrival, and as an Australian and a British citizen, you and I always got this, and we always got a 30-day stamp.
Well, yes, before you were only allowed to stay in Thailand, not just Phuket, Thailand, for 30 days. And if you wanted to stay longer, you'd have to go and get what's called a visa extension or whatever. But basically, if you're coming on holiday for 2 weeks or for 3 weeks, it didn't matter. But if you wanted to stay for longer, you had to keep going getting visa extensions.
Kind of around that digital nomad market. They're trying to make it easier for digital nomads to come here during our off-season.
Yes, you lazy people, get a real job.
So now, if you from the existing countries where you would get a 30-day stamp, you now get a 60-day stamp.
Do I have to read all the countries out?
No, we'll have it put up.
That's a lot, isn't it?
Kyle, put the list up. There's 93 countries.
Well, can I just correct you on that?
Yeah.
Well, I don't think there is now. Originally...
It was 93.
Originally, there was 57.
Yes.
Okay, and they've now added 36. So what's 57 plus 36?
93.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Hey!
So there are 93 visa on arrival countries now, so you can come to Phuket or Thailand without having to apply for a visa prior or applying for a visa on arrival.
Yes.
And so that means you can get 60 days.
That's right.
And then on top of
That's 2 months.
Yeah, on top of that, you can get an extension while in country for another 30 days. So it gives
yes. Okay, just
gives
checking.
you a maximum of 90 days in the country. This came into place from July 15th. There was some confusion. Is it going to go or not? Yep. Even to July 15th, it wasn't in the morning that they applied the stamp. It was in the afternoon. The first person that got stamped, I believe, was somewhere in the afternoon, maybe 2, 3, 4 p.m. in the afternoon.
Well done,
then it
Brian.
went viral around social media that you can now get your 60-day stamp as you arrive in Phuket, which is awesome because everyone who loves Phuket wants to stay longer, and now you can stay longer without having to leave the country.
Hey, do you know how many countries are in the world?
I have no idea.
About 127, I think, or something along those lines. So some of them must be really upset.
Let's not get into that.
Can we?
Yeah, no, let's not have that conversation.
Hey, if you're from Guatemala, you can come here for 60 days. Hey, if you're from Sri Lanka, you can come here for 60 days. Tongan people! I like a Tongan.
Yeah, I believe that one of the countries that wasn't on the list is Fiji.
No, Fiji's on the list now.
Oh, on the list now. Oh,
yeah. Fiji's on the list.
Anyway, if you're Australian, you're on the list. You're American, you're on the list. UK, you're on the list. And all these other countries
Hong
that
Kong,
Kyle's going to show.
United States,
Kyle's going to do something really
Ukraine,
fancy here.
Turkey, Switzerland, Sweden, South Korea,
Let's
South
not
Africa,
list them all.
Spain.
We'll be here for a week. No. So if you have any questions...
No. Before we do that, what could you do in 60... Why would you want 60 days here?
You could do a lot.
You could do... How many tours could you do in 60 days?
You could do every tour.
Could you do every tour in 60 days?
Could do every tour.
Can we do a package if someone wants to buy every tour in their 60 days?
That sounds like a really cool marketing idea, and we should.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So if you're here for 60 days and you want to do every single tour we have, we will create you a... What we
have our passport already.
Our passport?
Fill your passport, you get a free trip.
My passport's gone to to the immigration people today?
Yeah, no, but the 5-star Marine passport.
Oh, right. Oh, yes, you could.
Yeah.
We never talk about that passport.
No, shh, it's behind the scenes.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's
only
right.
people who are in the 5-star Marine cult know about this.
Anyway, 60 days. So basically, when you land in Thailand, anywhere in Thailand,
yes,
you can stay here. If you're on those list of countries, if you're not, unlucky, but if you are, you get to stay here for 60 long days.
Yes, and then you can do a 30-day extension in country. So
that's
actually
90
a total
days.
of 90 days before you have to leave the country.
Wow.
This is actually it's not something that's new. I think
Is it not?
Thai government does this every low season. Everyone cries out in low season. There's not enough tourists. The Thai government says, let's make it visa on arrival and extend it. They did it last year. Here's the prediction. By October 15th, this will go away.
You reckon?
It'll go back to normal because high season and then they need to limit supply.
Is that what you think is going to
Oh,
happen?
100%. This is what happened last year. I almost can imagine we did a video on this last year.
Oh, I can't remember what videos we've done. We've done about 84 in the last 2 days.
But we do have a second breaking news, something that you don't know about.
Oh my God!
You know Julie or George or Jeff or whoever the
Me Julie.
our social media
guru. Yes.
She's been working behind the scenes on an idea of yours.
Has she?
Yes.
Which idea was that? I have many.
Everyone's been asking, and some of my feedback forms, the number one piece of feedback I get is about this. And
I don't know if I'm looking forward to this
they've
conversation.
been asking,
Yes.
can they get 5-star Marine merchandise?
I told her about that. Don't say that she's been doing it. I told her to come up with some
I said it was
ideas.
your idea.
It was my idea.
And she's been working on it with me behind the scenes.
Okay.
And I think as of August 1st, there
Yes.
will be in-office merchandise to purchase.
But
5-star
why have I
Marine
not had an input
shirts,
in this?
5-star Marine hats, and they're going to go online as well.
They sound quite boring though without my input.
No. We'll consult you, but I wanted to let you know the technology behind the
Okay,
scenes.
well I want a t-shirt that just is a picture of the map and just says the map.
And the everything behind the scenes is happening to get it all done, and August 1st
And
is
what
the launch
about my
date.
head pillows? I wanted head pillows, branded head pillows.
Step by step is shirts and hats. After that, we'll go.
That's really
past that.
boring.
Well,
Everyone has shirts and hats.
It takes time to find all the right suppliers
It
and build
doesn't.
the
I
supply
can
line.
I'll go to Me Logo, the Me Logo. Shout out to Me Logo. Good advert, by the way. Go to them and they can do stuff.
Yeah, I know, but we also need to be able to get it
What does it say on the hat?
at a reasonable price and everything.
Oh no,
so
you
our customers don't get overcharged.
I know, but I'm just worried that it's not going to be cool and fun and funky.
So
It's gonna be
you
really
need to go
boring.
and see Julie and talk to her about the design.
It's going to be like this. We're going to advertise TripAdvisor on the back of it or something stupid like
you
that.
have to go and see her about
She's
the
not
design.
here. She's at lunch.
But this is breaking news, and it will be
Okay.
up, and it will be available. And we did listen to you, and I know
Good.
you've been complaining. Everyone's been asking, can I even buy the shirt
know what?
off Jay's back?
In all fairness, I haven't been complaining. I think this was my job to do, and I just got lazy. And because I do lots of things, and it gets bottomed down the list, and I forgot to do it.
No, it's been actually in my court to push it. So now I've pushed it.
Okay.
And August 1st, we're going out.
All right, wicked. Jungle is massive. Another thing while we're here, if you see a red flag on the beach and you're here on holiday, please don't swim. It's basic.
And more than that,
Yes.
if you would like to see me speaking, there's a new event coming up in September
Oh,
that I'll
that's
be
right.
speaking at.
Sean is going to be speaking at.
Do not say it.
What?
Do not get me kicked off the speaking panel before.
Okay.
The Phuket Hotels Association, in conjunction with Greenview, in conjunction with C9 Hotel Works, is running the Phuket Hotel Hospitality Industry
And
Sustainable.
that is the reason why I get frustrated with it. It's not the Phuket Hotels Association sustainable thing. They changed the words around to make it Phuket Incentive whatever, and it's actually known as FIST.
So the FIST event is on September 2nd. I will be there. I'll be a panelist on the...
And look, I make a joke about it, but in all fairness, it's a really good event, and it's all about sustainable tourism. It's all about hotel sustainable stuff. You can buy water in plastic bottles that not evaporates, but kind of biodegrades. You can buy all some green incentives for hotels and travel and tourism. It's a really good event. I just love the name. It's called FIST.
and I'll be there and I'll be presenting, hopefully. If they don't watch this video, I will be. If they watch this video, maybe I won't.
Well, let's hope they haven't read the email I sent them last night.
Yeah, let's hope.
There's many things we hope, to be fair, isn't there?
We should think a little bit more before we do some things that we do.
Yeah, do you know what?
Anyway, let's summarize this video.
Yes.
Firstly, 60-day visa on arrival with a 30-day extension, making it 90 days for 93 countries. The list is here.
That's right.
Second, got merchandise coming out soon. Jay's going to have some input in on the design, and
Hope
no,
so.
it won't be Jay's face on a t-shirt, don't worry.
I think it's a good idea, though.
And then thirdly, September 2nd, if you're in Phuket, come to the FIST event because I'll be there speaking on a panel about sustainability and tourism.
Who's else on that panel, Sean?
Let's not get into it, Jay.
Okay,
You and
and
I
remember-
off-camera conversations cannot be brought on camera.
If you see a red flag on the beach, like I said, please don't go swimming, okay? Too many people are going swimming. There's lots of rip currents.
And there will be a whole thing campaign going
Yes, we're working on that right now.
wide about this. Jay's got his...
Friends,
no, I was going to say you got a bee in your bonnet.
I've got my bean and bonnet about this. I really have,
He
yes.
is. And Jay's looking out for a horse right now, and I have no idea why.
Yes, Pumbaa. What's up, Pumbaa? Every morning I have to take Pumbaa for a little walk.
If you have anything you need us to talk about, you have any questions about Phuket or visiting Phuket, drop a comment below. We'll give you totally unsolicited, uneducated advice.
That's right. Thanks for watching. Like and
Phuket
subscribe.
Tourism News.
Bye-bye. Come, Pums. See? I'm walking a horse. Well, I say walking. We take one step and then he eats. Walk. See? Clever, innit? Anyway, this is Pumbaa. Pumbaa, say hello. Anyway, we're going horse walking. Come on, Pums. Let's go. Good job. Oh, no, stop eating. Better grass is up there. Come on, son. Anyway, there you go. Walking a horse. Thanks, Sahara, for filming. Come, Pums. No, that's not nice grass. The grass is lovely up here. Look here.